Ready to unlock the secrets of Jira and become a Scrum Master who helps their team thrive. First things first, understand the core of your role as Scrum Master is a facilitator, a coach, and a remover of impediments aimed at helping the team succeed. Jira is your primary tool. See how each card moves seamlessly between columns, reflecting the progress of the team throughout the sprint. Before any sprint, you'll work with the team to plan using the board, ensure the product backlog items are clear, estimated, and ready. During sprint planning, you'll help the team select the items, estimate the work, and define the sprint goal. This sets the direction for the next few weeks. During the sprint, your mission becomes one of ensuring the sprint's smooth operation. Your biggest goal is to optimize the team's progress. You will facilitate the daily stand-up meetings, helping everyone answer the 3 key questions. What did I do yesterday? What will I do today? Are there any impediments? Impediments are any obstacle that slows the team down. Your role is to identify these roadblocks and work to eliminate them. This could be anything from a missing access key to dependencies with other teams. You are there to clear the path. Throughout the sprint, use Jira's reporting features to track progress. Sprint burndown charts visualize how the team is closing. Work review velocity reports to understand how much work the team is completing consistently. This data helps during the sprint review. At the end of the sprint, facilitate the sprint review and retrospective based on the data. What did the team accomplish, and what can be improved? With consistent usage of Jira and diligent application of Scrum principles, that Scrum Master will guide your team to peak performance.